So that hawk is sitting there being pestered by the starlings. And he's resting because they got him wore out. And he's pissed off. All these birds on these wires are watching that hawk. And whenever he takes off flying, they'll dive bomb him. Still dicking with him while he's sitting there. Whenever he flew up there, there was about 6 of them on his back. And they'll just peck the hell out of a hawk because he can't catch them because they're faster and smaller. Nature's bizarre. Ironically, the hawk is picked on because it likes to go to the nest of the starlings and pick up little tidbits of baby birds. It's amazing what you see in a day.